We're going to be talking about taking readings for multipoint tests, and this is a common data set that will be taken for multipoint test. Often the data is taken manually, so before showing you how to take it automatically, as we will later, we'll show you how to take the data manually. There's a really common mistake that people make when they're doing that. That is that they'll have the gauge set on at 50. So let's see what happens if we take a set of readings from 15, 25, and 50, see what kind of data we get if the at 50 is set. So we'll turn the fan up to 15 or so, 976. 25, still around 900. 50 pascals, still around 900. So what have we done wrong here? Well, for each one of the readings that we've taken, where we want to get the flow at a certain pressure, we've had the gauge extrapolate up to 50 pascals in each case. So what we need to make sure of when we're taking those readings for multipoint test is that the at 50 does not appear. So we press our mode button until we are only saying pascals and CFM over here. Now, when we take a reading at 15, where before we were measuring 900 CFM or so, now we're measuring 400, 25 pascals, 600, and at 50 pascals, a little closer to 900. So that's how it's done on this gauge. This gauge over here can suffer the same problem if we have the at pressure setting on there, but it does have a different modes you might find is really handy. And that is, we can go set pressure 15, set pressure 15, enter, and by pressing the at pressure mode, we can have it extrapolate to 15 pascals, which is actually our set point. So right now, it's already extrapolating to 15 pascals. Then when we want to take a series of readings, we can either go set pressure 25 or simply activate the jog button. We've got jog up here, and hit the jog, and now our set point is 20 and our at pressure or extrapolation pressure is 20. So we can almost take readings as fast as we can write them down. So this is at 20, our set point is 20, our extrapolation pressure is 20. Jog one more time, our set pressure is 25, our extrapolation pressure is 25. This is up at 310. Jog one more time. At 326. Jog one more time to 35. 364. Jog one more time to 40. 392. Jog one more time. 45 pascals. Or we can jump over a couple. Go jog, jog. And now we're at 55. We have the flow at 55. Jog, jog. Now we're at 65. And each time we've extrapolated to the pressure of interest. We can jog back down again. Jogging to 50. Jogging down to 40. And in each case, the extrapolation is to the pressure that we're interested in and is giving us a very accurate and fast reading.